A few years ago, only a few people were considered computer programmers with cutting-edge coding skills. Now, many IT jobs require a solid grasp of the top programming languages, yes, more than one. Whether you want to develop a mobile application, get certification for programming knowledge, or learn new skills, you need to learn the right programming language. In this video, we look at the top 5 programming languages that make developers the most money. 1. JavaScript. JavaScript is a high-level programming language that is one of the core technologies of the World Wide Web. It is used as a client-side programming language by 97.6% of all websites. JavaScript was originally used only to develop web browsers, but they are now used for server-side website deployments and non-web browser applications as well. JavaScript is the most popular programming language in the world, and the average developer earns around $111,660 each year. 2. Python. Python is one of the most popular programming languages today. It is a free, open-source programming language with extensive support modules and community development. Python has easy integration with web services, user-friendly data structures, and GUI-based desktop applications. The average Python developer earns around $72,500 a year. 3. Go. Go, also known as Golang, was developed by Google in 2007 for APIs and web applications. Companies using Go as their programming language include Google, Uber, Twitch, Dropbox, among many others. Go is also gaining in popularity among data scientists because of its agility and performance. Go developers can earn an average annual salary of $92,000 and up to $134,000. 4. Java. Java is the most popular programming language used today. Java is a general-purpose programming language with its object-oriented structure. It has become a standard for applications that can be used regardless of platform, e.g. Mac, Windows, Android, iOS, etc. An average Java developer earns $79,000 annually. 5. Kotlin. Kotlin is a general-purpose programming language originally developed and unveiled as Project Kotlin by JetBrains in 2011. The first version was officially released in 2016. It is interoperable with Java and supports functional programming languages. Kotlin is used extensively for Android apps, web application, desktop application, and server-side application development. Kotlin developers earn an average of $136,000 a year, with the potential to earn up to $171,500. If you are seriously considering the prospect of a career in IT, we hope that this video will help you make the right choice and succeed in it.